Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet a beautiful coaster. I am using a 4mm crochet hook and this 3-ply yarn. To start, make a slip knot first. With the help of crochet hook, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7 and chain 8. After making 8 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring, because we have to work into this ring. And now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as our first double crochet stitch. Then wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring and draw a loop. Then we have 3 loops. Pull the yarn through first 2 and then through other 2 to make a double crochet stitch, which will be counted as our second double crochet stitch, including 3 chain. Then make double crochet 3 by pulling the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2. Make double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6 and then double crochet 7, double crochet 8, make 8 more double crochet stitches into the ring. Total of 16 double crochet stitches I have made, including 3 chain. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain and our first round is completed. Now make 3 chains, which will be counted as a stitch. Then make 1 more chain and then we would make a double crochet into the second double crochet stitch, then make chain 1 and make a double crochet into the third double crochet stitch, make chain 1 and make a double crochet into the fourth double crochet stitch, make chain 1 and make a double crochet into the very next double crochet stitch. So in this way, make double crochet plus chain 1 in every double crochet stitch of the first round. I have made all double crochet stitches. Now in the last, make chain 1 and make a slip stitch into the third chain, now make 3 chains and into the chain 1 space here we would make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. After that, make a double crochet into this next double crochet stitch here after chain 1. Then into the next chain 1 space, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, then a double crochet into this next double crochet stitch, then into the next chain 1 space make 2 double crochet stitches and then make a double crochet into the very next double crochet stitch also. So in this way we would just complete this round by making 2 double crochet stitches in each of the chain 1 space and double crochet in each of the double crochet stitch. I have made all double crochet stitches of this third round. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain to complete this round. And make 3 chains which will be counted as a stitch. Then make one more chain and skip this double crochet stitch here, go into this next double crochet stitch and make a double crochet into it. Make chain 1 again, skip one double crochet stitch, go into the next one and make a double crochet. Make chain 1 again, skip one stitch and into the second one make a double crochet. Make chain 1, skip one stitch, into the second one make a double crochet. So in this way make chain 1, skip one stitch and make a double crochet into every second stitch and complete this fourth round also. So I have made all double crochet stitches here. Now in the last make chain 1 and make a slip stitch into the third chain. Now make 3 chains and then into the chain 1 space here make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, then into this double crochet stitch make a double crochet, go into the next chain 1 space, make 2 double crochet stitches, make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, then go into the next chain 1 space and make 2 double crochet stitches and into the next double crochet stitch. Here we would make 2 double crochet stitches into this stitch, which is the fourth double crochet stitch of this round. In which we would increase a stitch. So I have made 2 double crochet stitches into this fourth double crochet stitch including 3 chain of the previous round. Now into the next chain 2 space make 2 double crochet stitches, into the next double crochet stitch make 1 double crochet, next space make 2 double crochet, into the second double crochet stitch here after increase make 1 double crochet, into the next chain 2 space make 2 double crochet stitches and into the third double crochet stitch after increase make 1 double crochet. Now we have total of 3 simple stitch without any increase. Into the chain 2 space make 2 double crochets, chain 1 space make 2 double crochet stitches and now we have this fourth double crochet stitch here. After increased stitch we would make 2 double crochet stitches into this stitch, 1 and then 2. Now just repeat the process of increasing pattern after 3 stitches and making 2 double crochet into the 4th stitch. So just complete this round by following the same process. So I have completed this round here. Now make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain and our last round is completed. Pull the yarn and cut it with the help of cutter. Remove the extra yarn strand. Now we would just weave this yarn end at the back side stitches with the help of tapestry needle. Make a knot at the back side like this. In this way stitches would not get loose. And now just pull the needle through these back side stitches and our work would be secured this way. Now cut these both extra yarn ends with the help of cutter and our coaster is ready. If you like it, give it big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon and then all option to get notifications of the future updates from this channel. So thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.